Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by authenticating. Unlock the phone and open settings, then go to Security and Privacy or Lock Screen depending on your Android build. You need your current PIN, password, or biometric to make changes, so enter it when prompted. Once done, tap Lock Screen Preferences or Screen Lock Type to start changing behavior. Make sure automatic backups are active if you plan to change wallpapers or widgets so you can restore them if needed. This avoids losing personalization during the switch. Next, choose the lock method that balances convenience and security for you: pattern, PIN, password, or biometrics like fingerprint or face unlock. Tap your preferred option and follow the on-screen steps to create or update credentials. Phones enforce minimum length or complexity, which helps protect your data. After setting a PIN or password, enroll biometrics if available. Android requires a backup method, so make sure the fallback PIN/password is something you finish by customizing the visual and functional elements. Change wallpaper, choose whether notifications show on the lock screen, and set quick access shortcuts. Once configured, lock the phone and test unlocking 2 to 3 times using both biometrics and your backup PIN or password so you know it works under real conditions. If something goes wrong, re-enroll the biometric profile, clear the settings app cache, or reboot the device. If problems persist, temporarily switch to PIN/password and consult device support for sensor hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.